okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. We done did so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? Ayy, shit done changed. Billionaires talk to me different when they see my pay stuff from Lucian Grange. Told myself that I would get through this verse and I'm not gonna mention the plane. But look at the plane, the fuck are we saying? Yeah, what? Fuck are we saying? Big 81, but I don't own a Harley, I ride a Mercedes with Shane. Ayy, it's me and Lil Harley, we wrecking this shit, then we bout to go link with the gang. Ayy, and unlike the clock on the wall of your mama house, I do not have time to hang. Please don't reach out to me, think watching too much of Stephen and got to me versus too easy. I'm serving them up by the threes. I'm playing pool and the pool just connects to the beach. I've been too solid to ever have stripes on my sneaks. You get what I mean? Back in the day, my dogs was putting they balls in the pockets of all of the fiends. And